Does your well water leave rust stains on your shower? If you do, then you know they're very difficult to clean. Before you start cleaning with the Lysol toilet cleaner, make sure you watch to the end because there is something to be careful of. So someone told me this works really well in getting rid of rust stains from well water. Somebody also told me that this works really well. So I'm going to try both of them. So I'm going to spray this one on this side first. Okay. Well, I'm going to pour this one on this side. And I'll let that sit. See what we got. I mean, I can get it off with a lot of scrubbing. I'm looking for something that takes it off with very little work. Now after just sitting for 3 minutes, I can already see it starting to clean on the edges there where it's starting to run down. And it looks like both of them are starting to clean. I'm going to let this sit for about 10 minutes and then I'm just going to rinse it off. Now I do have cleaners that I've used to clean it before. However, it takes a lot of scrubbing to get all of the stains out. Then someone told me about these two products and which one they like better. And they told me what they liked best about it was you didn't have to scrub. Spray it on, let it sit, and hose it off. And you can see here just after 3 minutes it's already working. I'm also going to try some on the sink. The sink is porcelain and my shower is fiberglass. Because I was planning on shooting a video, I let the shower go a lot longer without cleaning than I did the sink. I wasn't planning on testing it on the sink, so the sink's been cleaned recently. Well, it's been 10 minutes. Let's see what happens. Wow, that's working very well. Barkeep's friend or whatever didn't do too bad. It might have done better if I'd let it sit longer. But it looks like the Lysol one did a better job. For this to work, everything needs to be dry so you don't dilute the cleaner. So I'm going to let this dry and then I'll come back and spray the whole wall down. It also did really well on the porcelain sink. It did do something I wasn't expecting, and I'll show you that when I clean the entire sink. Let me know in the comment section if you spotted it. Because it was a little difficult to coat the entire wall with the squeeze bottle, I put the cleaner into a spray bottle to spray the wall down. Now I'm going to let this sit for 10 or 15 minutes and I'll come back and rinse it down. Well, I waited 15 minutes and I can already see a big difference. There was no scrubbing on this at all. I just sprayed it on and I'm getting ready to hose it off. Well, I have a winner. This is awesome. Anything that sprays on and you wash out and don't have to scrub gets my vote. The main reason why I was looking for something like this is I want to get rid of the fiberglass tub surround and I want to put in tile. With tile you have grout, so I was worried that the grout is going to get rust stains, which it will. If anybody has tile and they have rust stains on the grout, please let me know in the comments section whether they try this or not, and let me know if it does clean the grout. You can get a pack of 4 from Amazon for under $10. I will leave the link in the description. I did spray more on the sink and it did a great job. However, I have a bronze finish on my plumbing fixtures and it ate away the finish on the stopper. I'm not worried about this too much because I'm going to be replacing the bronze. So that is something to be careful of if you have bronze fixtures, to protect them before spraying it on them. Okay, worked on the sink. However, it destroyed the bronze finish on my fixture stopper. So use it with caution.